Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Today we are going to start. We already started yesterday the lesson, the singular and plural. Now, what is singular? We studied about a singular. Singular means one and plural means many. And then when we change singular word to plural, there are some rules, correct? By adding s. Yesterday we studied by adding s, normal by adding s. Then after that we studied by adding es. To which words? The words which are ending with letters o, x. Okay, the words which are ending with letters o, x, sh, ch, and normal s or double s. The words which are ending with these letters, what we have to do? We have to add es to it. What we have to do? We have to add es. For example, mango, mangoes, right? Then after that we studied that if the words are ending with y, correct? If the words are ending with y letter, instead of y we have to write down I. What we have to do? We have to write down I and we have to add es, correct? For example, body. Then instead of y we have to write I, B-O-D-I, and we have to add es, okay? If the words are ending with f and fe, okay, then what we have to do? We have to write v instead of f. For example, calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Instead of f, what we have to do? We have to write down v, C-A-L-V, and we have to add es. These were some examples which we studied yesterday, some rules. Today we are going to study fifth rule. We are going to study fifth rule is the noun dwarf. Here it is. The noun dwarf, hoof and scarf take either s or ves in the plural. Dwarf, dwarf or dwarves. Hoof, hoofs or hooves. Scarf, scarves, scarves or scarves. A few words ending with f and fe add s. There are some words which are ending, I told you the words which are ending with f and fe. For example, K-N-I-F-E, knife. This word is ending with what? This knife word is ending with fe. Then what we have to do? Instead of fe we have to write down v. fe ऐवजी काय लिहायचं? v लिहायचं आणि es जोडायचं. Okay, then what word knife will change to? Knife is singular, then when it will change to plural, what it will become? It will become knives. Okay, so K-N-I-V-E-S, knives, knife, knives. Okay, here it is told that there are some words which are ending with f or fe letters, but we don't add es to them or we don't add v to such words. Which are those? Those words are chef, chief, C-H-I-E-F, chief, chiefs, only s we are going to add over here. Gulf, only we are adding s to this, gulfs. Handkerchief, only s we are adding to this, so what it happens, it changed to handkerchiefs. Safe, we are adding only s, then what it becomes? Saves. Okay, next one is sixth point. Now we are going to start with today's points. Whatever first 5 points we studied, that were yesterday's points, today is 6th point. By changing the inside vowel of the singular word, there are some words which are having vowels in the middle. Which words are vowels? Which letters are vowels? I have already told many times, A, E, I, O, U, and these letters are what? These letters are in the middle of words. For example, I'll give you one example of the word. Here is a word. For example, goose, G-O-O-S-E. Now here what is there in middle? Double O is there. Double O is what? It is vowel. O is vowel. So when we want to change vowel, then what it happens? It will become geese. Goose, geese. So here it is told that by changing the inside vowel of the singular word, मधले जे व्हॉवेल्स आहे ते चेंज करायचे. इथे पण आता काय आहे? लूस, लाईस, मॅन, मेन. नाउ your word man is given, M-A-N, man. Middle letter is what? A. We are going to change only middle letter. One, man, and many, main. So which word we have changed? We have changed middle letter. जे व्हॉवेल्स आहेत, जे लेटर व्हॉवेल्स आहे शब्दामध्ये ते चेंज करायचे फक्त आपल्याला. आणि मग तो जो सिंग्युलर असेल तो काय होतो, प्लुरलमध्ये चेंज होतो. कशाने? फक्त मिडल व्हॉवेल वर्ड चेंज केल्यानंतर. ओके. 7th one is by adding en or ren to the singular noun. There are some words when they are singular they are okay, but when they change to plural, at that time we have to add en or ren. त्या शब्दांना काय करायचं असतं, आपल्याला ren जोडायचं असतं किंवा en जोडायचं असतं. ओके. So some words are there. Child, for example, child, 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 child. आता हा काय, one child. Okay, one single child. When I want to change it to plurals, then what it will become? It will become children. children, children. So what we have added for this word? We have added ren, and when we added ren, then it has changed to children. One child, many children. Okay. One ox, ox, ox. Okay. And if I will add en to this, then what it will become? Oxen. Okay. What it will become? It will become oxen. One ox, many oxen, not oxes. Okay, oxen, oxen, oxen. There are some words when they change to plural, at that time what happens? We are adding for them en or ren. Okay, what we are adding? Ren or en. Okay. See, 8th one is compound nouns form plurals as. There are some words. They are compound. Compound means what? 2 to 3 words are joined together. For example, here it is given father-in-law, then father-in-law, maid servant, mother-in-law, son-in-law, stepdaughter. Okay. Now there are here words father-in-law. ज्यावेळेस ते सिंगल असतात, एक फादर असला तरी फादर इन लॉज आणि खूप सारे असले तर मग काय होतं, फादर्स इन लॉ. एस कुठे जोडलेला आहे? फादरला जोडलेला आहे. इथे एस जोडलेला आहे का? नो. फादर इन लॉ, फादर्स इन लॉ, मेड सर्वंट, मेड सर्वंट्स, सर्वंट्सला एस जोडलेला आहे. थर्ड वन इज मदर इन लॉ. व्हॉट विल बी प्लुरल ऑफ मदर इन लॉ? मदर्स इन लॉ. एस इज ॲडेड टू मदर वर्ड. ओके. Fourth one is son-in-law. One son-in-law. Okay. In Marathi, for son-in-law, what we call Javai. Okay. So here, what will come answer? Sons-in-law. Fourth one, stepdaughter. And here, plural of stepdaughter will become what? Stepdaughters. Have you understood? In this way, we have studied about some compound words. Compound words means what? When 2 or 3 words are put together, they become कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स. 2-3 शब्द जर एकत्र टाकले की ते काय तयार, कोणते शब्द तयार होतात? ते कंपाऊंड वर्ड्स तयार होतात. नाउ 9th वन, हियर इट इज गिवन दॅट सम नाउन्स हॅव द सिंग्युलर अँड प्लुरल अलाइक. काही शब्द सिंग्युलरमध्ये पण सेमच राहतात आणि प्लुरलमध्ये चेंज केले तरी ते सेमच राहतात. ओके. विच आर दोज वर्ड्स? एअरक्राफ्ट, एअरक्राफ्ट इज देअर. ओके. एअरक्राफ्ट, डिअर, salmon, series, ship, spacecraft, species, and swine. These are words when they are one, that time also they remain same, and when they are changed to plural, that time also they remain same. 10th one, some nouns denoting number, major, etc. do not change in plural. काही शब्द असे की जे नंबर्स आपण काउंट करतो, नंबर्स, डझन, ग्राम, then 100, 1000, weight, they do not change. आपण असं नाही म्हणतो weight and weights. How much weight? How much is the weight of the sack? Or how much weight? How much is your weight? We don't say how much is your weights. What we say? Weight, 100, 1000. हे शब्द चेंज होत नाही प्लुरल मध्ये. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन that certain nouns are used only in plurals as belonging, drawer, what it is, drawers, pants, savings, scissors, shorts, thanks, tongs, trousers, Next one is plural of letters and figures are as BA, BAs, MSc, MScs, 5, 5s, 1970, 1970s, Z, Zs. Plurals of possessive forms are formed as a child's mother went to the market, the children's mothers went to the market. Okay. In this way, some rules are important for you. First 5 rules are very much important for 5th standard. Remaining rules when you will go in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, at that time you keep in mind, but first 5 rules you keep in mind, okay, which I have explained you yesterday also, and today also I have explained you. Now here it is given that change the underlined words into plurals. Okay, change करायचं आहे. First one, an ox, ox काय singular आहे, plural काय असणार आहे, oxen. So an oxen, oxen are plowing the fields. S जोडायचा fields ला. Next one, the boy's hair was full of loose. मग इथे काय येणार आहे, चाइल्ड्स आहे ना, मग चिल्ड्रन्स झालं ना, मग इथे काय लिहायचं, द बॉईज हेअरच राहणार. ओके, बॉईज पण बॉईजच राहणार. वॉज वॉजचं काय होणार, WERE वर, फुल ऑफ लूस, लूसचं प्लुरल काय आहे, लाईस. मग इथे काय येणार आहे, LICE लाईस. ओके, इन दिस वे आय विल राईट डाऊन अँड सेंड यू I will change singular words to plurals in the following sentences, and I will send you photo of it, and then you have to read those sentences properly and study. Okay, remaining part of the lesson we will study tomorrow. This much is enough for today. Thank you.